morning. I just woke up like 1 minute ago, and now I have class in like 2 minutes. 58. This is way too early for me. Look how cute. I also need to clean this situation. Hello. How are you doing this morning?
I'm sleepy.
Same. Okay, I feel a bit more alive now and I have another class. I just finished the first one and I haven't done a lot of the readings, but it's okay. Like, we need to finish, this is basically the Minerva forum, and then we need to finish like a bunch of things before the class, and I had to read these and I don't think I finished all of it, but it's fine. Done with the shower and I'm making another tea, and it's one of my friend's birthdays, so I think we're gonna go surprise her soon, but apparently she's not awake. It's like 12. Yeah, it's turning exactly 12 and she's not awake. So I think I'm gonna watch some YouTube and like see. I don't even know what to watch though, because everything is just cameras. Like, I feel like my entire YouTube is just cameras because I bought like the DJI and I'm filming now on the DJI, and I was so obsessed with like figuring out which camera to get, so now everything like on my content, on my like all of the social media that I'm using is just like cameras. But it's okay. So I'm gonna watch some YouTube and maybe work on some like, I'm working on my app, and right now I'm kind of trying to figure out like how to make it visible to people and how to share it ideally. So I'm working with like Claude to try to figure out that. And I actually haven't told you, but I'm going to the Lady Gaga concert at 4 or 5. I don't know where I'm living exactly because I didn't plan any of it. I'm going with one of my friends, and yeah, I probably need to get some stickers on the way to there, or on the way to get lunch. I haven't eaten lunch. I only boiled like, because I have an electric kettle now, I'm trying to like boil eggs in the electric kettle because I feel like this is the ultimate like student hack. It's like the only thing that I know how to cook, so. And I'm getting my protein, so I guess that's good. So yeah, on my way to getting lunch, maybe I'll get some stickers to put on my face to see you for the concert. I'm so excited. Oh my god, I feel like it's gonna be such a... She's like a performer. I know she's a performer, and I think it's gonna be very cool. I started watching this very like random show. It's called Everwood. It's kind of very like cozy. It seems like Gilmore Girls, but it's like in Colorado and the mountains, so it's so pretty. Going to go to the lobby. So I have the concert at 5 for Lady Gaga. I realized that I have literally no clothes, but it's fine, I'm not gonna buy clothes. But I'm going to get stickers to put on my face from like a 100 yen store, which is basically like a store where everything is 100 yen, and it's pretty like, the quality is not that bad, and they're kind of cute stuff there, and we have one so close to our rest hall. Anyway, I bought this bag a few days ago. So cute, I really love it. And so I'm probably gonna wear this, and then yeah, I'm gonna go get some lunch, although it's so late, it's like 2 p.m. I have to go through a train station, Shinagawa, to get to the other side of it, because that's where my food is. And I think I'm gonna go to like a super like cheap chain, because they have like Sukiya and Yoshinoya and another one. So I'm probably gonna go to one of those and see how it goes. So this is like one of them, and then I'm gonna go to like the other one. So this is basically it.
Thank you for your order.
I bought nail thingy. So I'm gonna go back and work in my bed because why not? Okay, so what I'm thinking is sparkly silver pants and then this, which I think is more for the warmth because I'm pretty sure it's gonna be outside. I'm actually not fully sure if it's gonna be outside. And then the new bag and then my leather jacket. But the thing is my leather jacket is brown. So I don't know how well it fits with blue. Actually I do, and I know it doesn't fit. But I guess it's fine. What do you think? What do we think? I feel like it's just like improvised, but like what can I do at this point? I don't even remember which one I added. It's so funny. Okay, what do we think? It's kinda, I don't even. Crazy.
I guess we can go from here.
Beware, she says. The chaos in your heart will never cease.
I think this is so funny. Crazy! Like a crazy lady!
She is a crazy lady.
Want to say something?
Hello, Maria's followers. How are you?
We're catching up. I mean, not even catching up. I'm telling her about the concert.
Yes. It was amazing.
Describe like no, girly.
Deci eu pe mine mă fascinează că acolo.
What are you doing right now?
I'm signing some acts, some documents from job.
In paint. Okay, I'm gonna do my insanely minimal skincare and then throw started on the plane to Tokyo, which is actually about Japan. It's about an American guy getting with the Japanese woman in the 50s, and I think it's funny because my boyfriend is Japanese and I'm of course white. So my mother saw this book and she was like, oh my god, you definitely have to read it, and it's actually kind of interesting, kind of outdated, like it's mostly about like marriage and children and the traditions back then, but it's still interesting to see. But yeah, I'm gonna read a little bit of this, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you, I don't know, enjoyed seeing me have fun in Tokyo. This is definitely not a normal day. I'm probably gonna film a normal day soon too, and actually show you what I do. But today was kind of special because of Lady Gaga. And I also realized that one of my favorite dancers, Michael Damaski, I don't know if I pronounced his name right, he's like from Australia. He's in Lady Gaga's team, and he had like a solo. So I was like, I was like crushing, literally crushing on that guy. But yeah, anyway, hope you enjoyed, and if you did, then I'm sure you're gonna like this video too. Love you guys the rest of your life, because bye bye, good night.